Okay, we haven't looked at our great big memory scroll here that we're putting on our rolling pin, but I have finished the one side now completely. Last time we looked at it, I hadn't done the sewing, but I have finished all of that. That is all sewn down now, okay? And I'm liking that a lot. I think that's just a beautiful mishmash. Looks like a masterboard, doesn't it? Okay. Now, what I'm doing with this piece is I'm working on covering the background. Remember, I have this on batting. So I'm using scrap pieces of scars to do this. And as you can see, when they're sewn down, they really make a nice color play here, like a color wash almost. And what I'm doing is I'm just using strips of scarf fabric. They don't have to be any particular length or width or anything, whatever I have I'm using. And I'm just putting them together and then just doing running stitches on that to finish this piece. And when I get this finished, I will be working on another section that I will attach to this end right here. I will be attaching it along there, and until I get it the length I want it to roll it up on my rolling pin. Okay. I also like the scarf material because it covers very well, but it's very lightweight, and it doesn't add a tremendous amount of thickness to this. Okay, it's just a very light covering on the back, easy to work with, and they come in, you know, scars and all kinds of textures and color, and they're just beautiful to work with as scraps. All right, I just wanted to bring you up to par on that little bit here. Let's turn it around and see where we are here. I just really like that. I am going to sew this, if this doesn't lay down, which I think it will once I get the other sewn. I think it will, but if it doesn't, if it's a little puffy, I'll come back and sew that a little bit, okay? Otherwise, a little puffy doesn't really matter, as long as it's down and adhered well. And when it rolls out to someone to look at it, nothing's going to fall off of the piece for sure. Okay. All right. What do you think? I'm thinking it's very colorful and going to be very pretty. Okay. All right. Till next time, let's stay scrap happy.